What's up, everybody? And today I'm gonna be doing a video of this VR, trying it out, Oculus Go. So I will be talking about Pilot Shooter, and if I have time, I'll talk about more games. Let's get into it. Netflix, I want to watch.
Skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me.
Like I said in his video, go check out his video before you check out this one. So, like I said in his video, there's one for a computer that's black that costed $400.
The Oculus Rift.
Yeah. It's weird why they would change the name. I have to put a phone in it as its own screen, because you can play games, you can watch Netflix. But
What games are you playing?
The roller coasters, rides that you went on to start with. Well, I like those, and I think soon I'm gonna be trying out Walking Dead, if he lets me.
So you downloaded the app onto my phone.
Yeah.
Got everything connected. And there's a bunch of different games you can buy.
They're pretty much all free, and I wish they had Fortnite. That'd be awesome. But you would need like 2 triggers.
What about Minecraft? Would be sweet.
That'd be sweet.
More Roblox.
I don't think I would go well with Roblox. I saw on here there's like stream things you can do.
You tried the fishing game Bait, right? You didn't really like it?
I'm lucky because if I have to get glasses, there's a little glasses holder for it.
How's the controller?
Good. All you have to do is put AA batteries in here. And this. To plug in. My enemy from yesterday.
Anything else?
I was waiting 5 hours yesterday to, do the video. Not that much. I don't know. I don't know what videos I want.
So you just want me to do gameplay now, where you're playing just some B-roll you're playing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try making it so they can see it.
I don't know how to do that.
I like this game a ton. No. Yes. Right before that guy shot me. You gotta get Suicide Squad. Wait,
Is that what you're playing?
No, I downloaded it. Just I haven't played it yet. Dang it, die. My best high score, 1,388. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.